Hello, awesome people. In this video, you will find out if you are wealthy or not. Yes, you will find out because some of you are actually wealthy, but you don't know. Yes, you don't know. You don't know that you are wealthy. In this video, you'll be able to ascertain if you're actually wealthy or not. Because I'll be sharing with you the 4 stages of wealth. Stages 3 and 4 are the most generally recognized stages of wealth. When people are at stage 3 and 4, people say they are wealthy. They forget that you don't get to stages 3 and 4 without first of all passing through wealth stage number 1 and 2, both of which are also wealthy statuses. So stick around, you're going to enjoy this video and you are going to learn a lot. Let's go. Hello, awesome people. It's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. If this is the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo, the face, the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews YouTube channel. A channel that seeks to edify and develop all its viewers and subscribers on a daily basis. So if personal development in all ramifications of life is what tickles your fancy, I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Now, without further ado, the 4 stages of wealth. Number 1 is stability. Financial stability. Now, how do you know that you are financially stable? There are 3 ways for you to know that you are financially stable. Number 1, you are not owing any debt. You are debt free. You're not owing anybody. You are not owing anybody any amount of money. There's no debt hanging around your neck. Number 2, you can pay your bills. You can pay your utility bills. You can pay your children's school fees. You can pay your house rent. You can take care of your basic needs as a human being. Then number 3, upon all the bills that you are paying for yourself, you can still save. You are wealthy. Yeah, trust me, my brothers and sisters, you are wealthy. You're not owing anybody. You can pay your bills. You can save. You are wealthy. That is the stage 1 of wealth. Stage 2 of wealth is strategy. Now, strategy. Now, how do you know that you are financially strategic? There are 2 ways to know. Number 1 way is you are now investing. You know that in stage 1, you are able to stay debt-free, you are able to pay your bills, and you are able to save. That is stage 1. Now, that money you saved in stage 1, you are now investing that money. Okay? That is the strategy. That is the first sign to know that you are now financially strategic. Stage 2 of wealth. Now, the second way to know that you are now financially strategic is now that your money is now working for you and you are getting returns off of the money that you invested. Now, you don't have to always work for money anymore. Money has now started working for you. That is a sure way to know that you are now at the financially strategic stage of wealth, which is the stage 2. Stage 3. Financial security. Now, this is the stage that strikes everybody as wealth. This is the most recognizable stage. You see stage 1, stage 2, most people don't recognize it as wealth. But you forget that this stage 3, stages 1 and 2 are prerequisites for qualification for stage 3. Stage 3 is called the financial security stage. How do you know that you are financially secured? Now you are able to enjoy your money, okay? You are able to use your money to buy your cravings, not necessarily only the things that you need. Now you are using your money to buy the things that you want. Now you can afford to get a few liabilities with your money. You can afford to be a little bit extravagant with your money because you've paid your dues in stage 1 by saving, in stage 2 by investing, and also getting returns from your investment. So stage 3 is the enjoyment stage. So you enjoy your money. That is how to know that you have financial security. That's the first way to know. Another way to know that you have financial security is that you now eat good food. You are now very picky and very choosy over your choice of food. Initially, you don't really care much. You just eat whatever that is available. But right now, you are more selective. You're more particular about the food you take into your system. Then number 3 way to know you have financial security is now you can afford to take that expensive vacation. You can afford to take your family out. You go to Disneyland, you go to Dubai, you go to Saudi Arabia, you go to different places to have fun, take pictures, spend time at expensive hotels. Okay? Because right now you are at a stage where you have your finances sorted out. You don't have to do 9 to 5, wake up in the morning, go to work, come back late at night anymore. No, you're at that stage where you can afford to take a vacation with your family. That is a stage of financial security. Now, stage 4, financial freedom. That is the peak. You see, this stage of financial freedom, money has no meaning to you anymore. Yeah, you have problems with your relationship, with your family, you have health problems. Nobody discusses money with you anymore. Because the quality of life trumps cost. Anything you want, you can get it. It's just a matter of, do you want it? You don't talk about price anymore. You tell your wife will tell you, let us get a Bentley. You are never going to say, how much is a Bentley? You don't care about the amount. I don't like the build of a Bentley. Let's get a Cadillac. It's about your choice now, because anything that has a specific amount, you can afford it. Hello? Anything, so long as that thing has a price tag, you can afford it. That is the stage of financial freedom. You have saved. You have invested. Your investment has yielded fruits. Now you are living the life. You became secure. You became financially secured. Stage 3. Security means that now you have multiple streams of income. You have multiple streams of income. So you have a cushion against any form of financial calamity. You have secured everywhere. That's stage 3. You have secured everywhere. Now, those your securities everywhere are now yielding returns for you everywhere. That was how come you went to financial freedom, stage 4. Where money is no longer an issue. Money is no longer an issue at all. So these are the 4 stages of wealth. In the comment section below, I want you to write, what stage are you in? Because a lot of people who are in stage 1, they don't know that they are wealthy. My brothers and sisters, if you can pay your bills, you are not owing anybody. And at the end of the day, you can still put money away as savings. You are wealthy. You are wealthy. That is stage 1 of wealth. You are able to graduate to the 2nd stage of wealth. If that savings you made in stage 1, you are now investing it. And it's now bringing returns for you. You have graduated. Now, you are now moving from stage 2 to stage 3. If you now diversify in multiple investments where you know that it's not possible for you to be broke, because you have investments in oil and gas, you have investment in cryptocurrency, you have investment in e-commerce, you have investment in pharmaceuticals. You know that all these industries cannot experience a meltdown all at once. So if one industry is not paying you, the other industry is paying you. That is financial security for you. So now, when all these industries are now doing well and you're now having streams of income from several sources, that is when you now attain financial freedom, which is stage 4. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, give it a like, okay, so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so before. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Esibo. It is bye for now.